You know, like and subscribe, chat. Me and DJ's podcast.
Welcome back to the podcast. Oh, another one.
Mm. It's a strangler.
Anyone got like a pen?
Yeah, done it.
Same process happening all over again.
Who's in the brochure?
Being in the sun. That's the one.
Whoa.
Yeah, that'll be the one.
So they actually give birth to live young, which is not common for skinks.
Cheers, bruv. I'm in. Hi, Mom.
This feeling.
Oh, we gotta go over there. I'm in a waterfall, Mom.
We out here. Just went in the natural pools. It was absolutely sick.
We're in Detroit. This is sick.
They can inflict quite a decent bite. I'd say that one it's not interested in you at all. Most snakes just want to get away from you. So we've just come from that ridge line you just looked at, one off to your right.
Avatar.
No, Fern Gully.
We're storming the Capitol.
Basic support make them more stable. But also these roots can catch a lot of water and like decomposing matter and give.
It sounds like really deadly.
I think that's a huntsman's spider.
Get out of the.
Is it like poisonous?
If it bit you, it'd be like a bee sting kind of. Like it would be itchy and swollen, but not like life-threatening.
Wow.
So this is the southern leaf-tailed gecko, only found in this area of southeast Queensland, and they actually don't have eyelids, so they have to lick their eyes to clear their, like windscreen wipers, to clear their eyes if anything gets in the way. If there's anything, then we'll actually go back the other way.
A big one.
Yeah, maybe another huntsman, but a younger one.
What is that?
Touch it.
Shows up to the vlog.